Hello and welcome back to another range test. Now we're going to test the 18mm rimfire cases for the Milbank-Amsler. So now the second pattern, now I actually have tools to do it properly. If you want to have a look at how I made the cases, head over to our parallel place, you know where I have a complete talk through of how I made the cases. So, kind of nervous. I've got 15 shots here. I'm going to have to index them every time, so it's going to take a bit of time, but hopefully none of them will split, and hopefully the bullets will go vaguely in the direction of the target. Now when I tried my first edition of these cases made using 16 gauge brass, one hit the target by accident and the rest never went anywhere near. So, high hopes this time. High right, but on the card. Missed the primer there, I need to realign the cartridge. Perfectly centered, just slightly high.
"12 shots later."